gon' do this my way. Up running around like you forget who I am. But I made you, don't you forget that. Starting on your friends like you ain't hop on my wave. I helped you style, I helped you grind. And you know for damn sure I'll always ride. Your mama always call me and that's alright. Cause she know I'm the only one who stood by your side.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you like my content, feel free to like, share, subscribe, click that notification down below so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Today I'll be doing a hair review. Without further ado, let's get to it. This is the packaging of the unit. The name of this unit is Beshe, and it is their deep lace part wig. The style is DP.AKO, and I have it in the color 1B. It has a comb at the back, the adjustable strap, and 2 combs on either side.
You stayed cold and you told me to move on. I know I won't last.
This is how the wig looks straight from the pack. Just looking at this wig, you can see that it is beginner friendly. I'll go right in and put the unit on so you guys can see how the wig is looking.
Catered to you, 'cause now you won't speak and you told me let it be. You know I can't leave, 'cause baby I need you. I was young, I was dumb, I was wrong, I was stupid, baby.
I'll turn around so you guys can see the complete wig. And guys, looking at this, you know you gotta go in and do a little finesse. This is how the parting space is looking, so you'll have to go in and widen the parting space, or just add your concealer or your powder to the parting space just to brighten it a little. Also, you can go and add some baby hairs like I'm doing here, or guys, you don't have to do this. You know, extra.
And the mad wild you know, you're the one now, gotta say, I was wrong, I was stupid, baby, I was now I'm looking at you, stay away, and I'm mad 'cause you're really moving on, you're the one now, gotta say, I was wrong.
I am going in and adding my concealer to my parting space. This unit has 2 different curl patterns. Right at the parting space, the curls are tighter than the ends of the unit. So guys, if you're comfortable with that, you can just leave it as it is, or you can use your comb or your fingers and loosen the curls so that the curl patterns are the same throughout the hair. I am going in and shaping the hair a little, but guys, this step is always optional. You don't have to trim the hair if you don't want to trim it. If you put the wig on and you like how the wig is looking, go ahead and leave it like that. But if you want to go and shape it or trim it or whatever you want to do, guys, just do it.
So what we gonna do?
I am adding some water to the hair and using my fingers to comb and style the hair. You can also use your comb to do this. Show you how everyone do it right. We can take a flight, leave by tonight. Baby, just me and you living our best life.
I just wanna know what you feel about me. gonna do, babe? This time with you, I don't wanna lose it.
I know you hear this many times. You bring joy to my life. Can't do this without you. You shine through my gray skies. And I can lie, boy. You made me feel so nice. I'm on cloud nine.
Girl, you know that I would do anything for you. Pick you up, you know I can't leave you down, babe. Roll one up, I'm trying to get high like we out of space. Cause ain't no one.
For $20, guys, this unit is giving me a natural hair look. The curls are nice and soft. It is beginner friendly. It is big head friendly. All you have to do with this unit, guys, is just put it on and add some concealer to your parting space, guys, and through the door you go. So guys, if you're interested in this unit, the link is in the description down below. You can go and check it out, guys. It's only $20. Thank you for watching. And as always, I do appreciate you all. Until next time, be YHE.